Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, let us learn how and when to use demonstrative determiners that and those. Before starting, if you don't have any idea about demonstrative determiners, then you can check out my previous videos in which I have explained in detail about the same. So without wasting much time, let's begin. How and when to use that. That is used to refer to a singular noun that is far from the speaker. In simple words, that is used to describe a noun which is in singular form and which is also far from the speaker. Now let us look at the example. Example, that is an aeroplane. So here we can see that demonstrative determiner that is used. Now the question arises, why? Why not these or this? Because here we can see that there is a boy who is pointing towards the sky. He is pointing towards the aeroplane. And we can see that there is a single aeroplane and this aeroplane is very far from the speaker. The aeroplane is very far from this boy. That is why demonstrative determiner that is used. That is an aeroplane. How and when to use those. Now let us understand how and when to use demonstrative determiner those. Those refers to plural nouns that are far away from the speaker. Unlike demonstrative determiner that, which is used to refer to singular noun, those is used to refer to plural nouns which are far away from the speaker. Example, those are my books. Again we can see that there are many books lying over here and this boy is pointing towards these books which are far from him. That is why demonstrative determiner those has been used. Those are my books. So this much in today's video. I hope you liked the video. So do like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.